Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jacarlo, or you can call me Carla, and today I am showing y'all how I made these bomb ass press-on nails. Okay, but I was just showing y'all like the tips that I use. Well, not the tips, well, they are tips, full cover tips. I got them from Amazon. It will be linked. This is the tips after I like buffed them and shaped them. Yeah, I am a square nail girl, but I decided to do like a almondy type shape. I didn't want them too pointy like stiletto. Now they rounded, but yeah, whatever. This is what we have, and they're not too long. But I'm putting on a base coat, and I'm using Model 1's base coat and top coat. I love this color. It's so freaking pretty. I use it for a lot of my press-on sets. Like, it can be like, look at that light pink. That was one coat, and now I'm going in with the second coat. But it can be used for like a good nude color. I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna stop talking. Everything that I'm using is just gonna be in the description box. And don't forget to like, comment something down below. Comment anything. Ask me a question. I don't know, but comment and subscribe. Okay, boom. So this is the final look for the nails. They turned out so pretty. Like, oh my gosh.